What's going on, guys? My name is Christopher and welcome to It's Complicated, the show where I talk about and showcase wristwatches. So if you love wristwatches like I do, you're going to want to subscribe to the show. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Speedmaster Professional from Omega. That's right, the man on the fucking moon. Here we go. All right, so this is just the outer box. It actually did come with a cardboard sleeve that went over it, but the outer box opens like this, and man, the presentation on this thing is unbelievable. There's the inner box. Let's get that out of the way real quick. In the back here, you have your instructions. You know, it's worth noting that I do not like that Omega gives one instruction manual for all of their watches. Cards and paperwork go here. They are in my safety deposit box right now. That's why I'm not showing them. Under the inner box, you get two little booklets. The first one is a booklet showing you how to remove the bracelet. Pretty cool. Nice information to have. And the second one is the real eye catcher. Look at this beautiful red metallic. And this is a book on the history of the watch going to outer space, who wore it first, the testing of the watch, etc. Really cool. All right, and here you have the inner box. Just real nice, very sturdy. And you have these really cool latches that are similar to what was on the spacesuit. Little elastic there to hold them down. Very, very cool. Get it open there. Get this out of here. First thing you'll notice is, of course, the watch. Looks great. And over here is a little collectible coin type deal with the Speedmaster written there, the Omega symbol. Very cool. A couple more things to check out. In this compartment is a jeweler's loop, and this thing is very nice. I have another loop, and this just shits all over it. Actual glass piece in there. No plastic, tachometer on the edge, and this is a rubbery texture, Omega insignia on it. Very cool. And then in this compartment, in the back here, you have a few things. The Velcro strap, similar to the one the astronauts used on the lunar missions. Put that there. And then in here, looks like there's another strap. And it is an Omega branded Nato strap. And this thing is very, very high quality. Feels great. The blue parts here are actually just plastic coverings protecting the metal there. This is unworn. That's great. So you get that as well. And there's a little tube here, and inside the tube is spring bar tool. How nice is that? Beautifully textured here. This is just overall, there's just a lot to this. And then there's a bag with 4 extra spring bars and one of the links to my bracelet. So let's recap. You get a booklet on the history of the watch. You get a booklet explaining how to remove the bracelet. You get an Omega Nato strap, and it's worth mentioning that those sell for about 200 bucks. You get the Omega Velcro strap. Of course, you get the watch, spring bar tool, collectible coin, and 4 extra spring bars. As far as presentation goes, this thing is absolutely gorgeous in every way. Matter of fact, I don't know if there is a better box for a luxury watch on the market right now. And there you have it. That's the unboxing of the Omega Speedmaster Professional, the legendary Moonwatch. And what a presentation of that box. It's enormous. It's huge. You get all the extras between the loop and the Nato strap. Just an all-around great package. So that wraps up this episode of It's Complicated. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share the video with your friends. Still uploading 2 times a week, and I'll see you next time on another episode of It's Complicated.